Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of gaming basics. In this video we are going to learn how to buy Hamster Kombat Coins. So the first step is to open your Telegram, and here you can see this Hamster Kombat. Click on it and click on the play button which is on the bottom left corner. Now one of the methods to get more coins is simply clicking on this character here on the middle of your screen. And you can see that if you tap once with your one finger, it will add +1 coin to your Hamster Kombat. And if you click with double finger, then it will add coins twice. So to get more coins on this app, first open your assistive touch here. And after that you can see this custom option. Click on custom. Now click on this plus button here, and it will lead you to settings. And here, and tap as many touch as you can, and it will not allow you to have more than this, so click on save. Now give this a name, and after you save this gesture, go back to the Hamster Kombat and here open this assistive touch, and after that click on custom and click on this hamster option here. And here you can see that this different gesture has been added. Now if you tap once, then it will create 5 to 6 gestures like this. So this is it for today's video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to comment down below if you have any queries. Thank you.